Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super useful, especially if you are a creator on Instagram or Facebook. Meta has just launched a free editing app that is called Edits. Think of it as a CapCut but made for Instagram. So in this tutorial, I walk you through exactly how to use it step by step, even if you have never edited a video before. So let's get started. First things first, head to App Store and then search for Edit in the search icon. And just like so, you want to go ahead and install Edit's application in your mobile device. This is the app. Tap on Get button and let the installation begin. This app is totally free, so once it is downloaded, you want to go ahead and tap on Open. And if you're already logged in into your Instagram or Facebook on your phone, Edits will recognize that and ask if you would like to continue as that user. So you want to go ahead and tap onto that, and just like so, you're in. Tap on Join Edits, then tap on Allow. And just like so, once you are inside the app, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this icon that says Project, and then tap on to the plus icon. This is where your video magic begins. Select a clip or image from your gallery, and then tap on the add icon at the bottom right corner. Just like so, you'll need to grant permission so Edits can access your media just like any other editing app. Now you can add one video or multiple. Don't worry about the order for now, you can drag and rearrange everything later. Now let's learn the interface. The editing interface is clean and super user-friendly, especially if you have used Instagram Reels, TikTok, or CapCut before. You'll see a timeline at the bottom. Tap on any clip to trim or cut or move it. You'll see different kind of option at the bottom of the screen. Just like so, if you would like to remove any mistake or awkward pauses, you want to go ahead and tap on the clip, and just like so, hit the split button where the mistake starts and ends. And just like that, delete section by tapping on delete. Now one of the coolest feature is that you can add music directly from Meta's music library. It's the same music library used on Instagram and Facebook Reels, so song you use here will automatically sync when you upload. That means no weird copyrights, warnings, and proper music attribution is handled automatically. Now let's talk about the feature that makes your video pop. Overlay tool. If you would like to add an image or video on top of another, you can go ahead and tap on Overlay and choose what to stack, and you're done. Great for reaction videos, tutorials, and showing testimonials. Just like so, another tool is the Cutout tool. You can go ahead and tap on Cutout. This lets you automatically remove background from your subject, kind of like smart green screen, and if you would like to float your face over a scenic video, cut it out and then overlay. Now let's move on to voiceover tool. Just like that, tap on voice right over here, and then you'll be able to see this kind of button. If you would like to record narration right inside the app, you want to go ahead and tap on this little icon and record your voice. Once done, tap on the stick icon. And just like that, if you would like to use the captions to generate subtitles for everything you said, you can then be able to tap on captions right over here. And just like so, the caption will get generated automatically in your video. As you can see, the caption of this video has generated. Now another bonus is that Edits come with its own sound effect library. You can go ahead and add pops, clicks, even applause, whatever fits your vibe. Just be careful not to overdo it because a little goes a long way. And when you're happy with your edits, you can then be able to tap on export. You can even go ahead and change the resolution up to 4K. Once you're done, you can even tap on this drop down and then rename your project. Then after that, you can tap on export to save your video to your phone or post it directly to Instagram or Facebook. If something glitches like export button freezing, don't panic. Close the app, reopen the app, and then try again. It usually works on the second go. And that's it guys, you now know how to use Edits by Instagram from download to export. Whether you are making reels, stories, or short form videos for fun or business, this app makes it ridiculously easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more simple creator tools and drop your questions in the comments. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.